Hi friends, welcome to the world of Neural Pruning, the study app. I am Jyothi, standing before you to discuss some basic concepts in chemistry. Chemistry is a very interesting subject. So I have studied MSc in organic chemistry and have been in this field from past 15 years to teach chemistry, and I would also like you all to learn chemistry. So first, let us start with the chapter Some Basic Concepts in Chemistry, which is having more interrelation with physics, that is physical chemistry. If we study chemistry alone, it is not sufficient. We need to apply physics here, and we need to understand what is the mechanism which is going on in chemistry and learn through mathematical calculation, learn in detail and then proceed. For example, we have a cell. If we have a cell, we need to know what is the mechanism which goes there. So we need to apply the concept of physics, calculate using maths, understand the mechanism, then know whether it can be used or no. Similarly, we need to synthesize any fertilizer, insecticide, pesticide, medicine, etc. We need to know about the substance, that is what is there, how many atoms are there, how the atoms are arranged, and how we can rearrange the atoms, because the whole chemistry is based on law of conservation of mass. Mass can neither be created nor destroyed. So it is just reorganization of atoms which takes place. So in order to do this, we should know how many atoms are there, how many molecules are there. So to do this, we need to study, or we need to go into the detail of the chapter Some Basic Concepts in Chemistry. So now friends, let us study some basic concepts in chemistry, having in mind all these concepts.